Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to fix why the variants of your products are not showing. Like for example, if I have a t-shirt right here, as a customer I would choose the size like L, XL, M for example, but the option is not showing. If I click this product, it will redirect me to the checkout, but no size available. So to fix this issue, make sure to log in to your Shopify and then go to products. From here you can find all the products that are active, and all you have to do is to click the target product, like for example this one, and from here you can customize it. Just scroll down until you find the variants section. Click add options like size or color. For example, color. Click create, and from the option values you can put all the colors you want. For example, this black, and then click add option and then white. You can customize as much as you want, and then when you finish, click done. As you can see here, you can customize the size of every variant and then click save. Now if you go to the store, go to the product, as you can see here the variant color is showing the two options we have added. You are free to customize it any way you want, and that's it.